You two did pretty well, Kubo. I know you have good instincts, Kubo. Think outside the box, Kubo. I'm here if you need me, Kubo. I'll be helping in spirit, so good luck, Kubo. Kubo. It does, Kubo. I remember everything now. We're headed to the place where I was born, Kubo. Why do you say that, Kubo? Mog has a new home, right by Sarah's side, Kubo. Of course, Kubo. Lightning saved me. I promise to be loyal to her forever, Kubo. Kubo! It's good to be me, Kubo! Servant of time, daughter of chaos, unto the world unseen, the untamed you guide.
What do you know? It talks.
Your power over monsters, Kubo. You can do the same, Kubo. Kubo? Leave it to me, Kubo. Time for some Moogle magic. Kubo! Whoops, wrong turn. Kubo. Kubo? This is the rift between gate and gate. It's the void beyond, Kubo. Kubo. Kubo! Kubo! I have faith in you, Kubo. I don't know, Kubo. It was terrible in Valhalla. It was, Kubo. Kubo. Not a single thing, Kubo. The world is the way it was before, Kubo. Was it too easy for you, Kubo? Kubo? I sense something straight ahead, Kubo. Of course I am. I'm an expert at detecting things no one else can find, Kubo. I don't exactly remember, Kubo. But I know it was important to me, and it made me feel warm and fuzzy. You're a meanie, Kubo. This place, it smells like tears, Kubo. I remember crying here a long time ago. I was all alone. No one was around, Kubo. I remember feeling sad, Kubo. But I also remember something else. I remember thinking that I wanted to go home. Kubo! Kubo! The goddess, she is gone, Kubo. Then we would present the king with a delicious flan, Kubo, and he would say, "Incredible!" And then he would keel over and die on the spot. We're going to serve up a dish of poison flan to his royal highness. Fight flan with flan, as they say. It's a flawless plan, Kubo. Why do I have to do all the work, Kubo? Hello? You're going to be the first to get a taste of my poison flan, Kubo! Kubo! Lightning? What? Who's Mog, Kubo? No, Kubo, I swear! Mog does not deserve to look lightning in the eye, Kubo. Really, Kubo? Oh, lightning! Kubo! Kubo! What was that for, Kubo? Oh no, Kubo. I was swept up in the chaos, Kubo. I was carried hither and thither until I found myself in the void beyond. I wandered there, and one by one I met my friends, Kubo. Our world was a terrible mess, and we didn't know where to go, Kubo. That's right, Kubo. We were so blue, we didn't know what to do. We roamed around for a spell, over the desert and dale, until one day we found this forest. That's when I said to my friends, let's build a new home here. And that's what we did. All the Moogles together, Kubo. Kubo, of course, Kubo. Then, before I knew it, I became the chief of the whole Moogle village, Kubo. Lightning! You mustn't say that, Kubo. If you keep praising me so much, my bubble might burst, Kubo.